I'm sorry. Ooh, there we go. Now you guys can hear me. Sorry you can't hear her. It's because she's Russian, just like me. Well, sorry you can't see me very well, but she's Russian just like me, right? But the problem is with it is you guys probably can't understand it, but I can, so I'm gonna translate it, and whatever she says, whatever she says, I'm gonna translate it into English. I can't do it in any other languages except yeah. She just said she just can't do English because she's Russian. Anyways, what the goal is for this video is it's not really like a challenge, but it kind of is. So I'm gonna ask her questions and in Russian, then I'm gonna translate it just like I promised you, and then she's gonna answer them. I'm gonna translate it, and that's it. So let's start. First one, Babuля. Um, Бабуль, вопрос, быстро. Sorry, guys. Быстро, 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 чап-чап. Как тебя зовут, бабуль? Сейчас. I asked her what is her name, and she said my name is Doba. Okay? And then she asked me what is my name, and my name, you guys know it. It's the YouTube channel name, basically. So yeah, pretty much. Anyways, второй вопрос, бабуль. Where did you come from? Okay, she said that she came from Kiev, and Kiev is the capital of Ukraine. So next question. Третий. Okay, next question. How many kids does she have, or grandkids and stuff? She. Okay, she. Okay, she has 2 kids, and one of them is my grandma, and she's right here with me. Would you like to introduce yourself? I'll actually point the camera at you. She is right there, my grandma. She said, "Hi, this is my she's my grandma, my regular grandma. This one's my great-grandma, and as I was saying, my great-great-grandma is, well, gone, basically, in the last video. So, next question is, hold on. She has 2 kids. One of them is my grandma. I already introduced her. She's older than her brother, and her brother is my uncle. Well, like, Uncle Grandpa? I have an Uncle Grandpa! Watch the show Uncle Grandpa on Cartoon Network. Uncle Grandpa. Good morning. Good morning. Anyways, so he is younger than her, my grandma, by 4 years. Yeah, 4 days and 4 years. Anyways, next question. А что это? Okay, next question. How many grandchildren does she have? Does she have? How many does she have? Has is something else. Считай. Sorry about this. It's like... sorry about this, guys, but... The first one is... Well, it's basically my cousins and me. And, like, my mom, dad, and uncle, and my aunts, basically. Yeah, that's it pretty much. So, I'm just saying this. But, sorry if you can't hear me, it's, yeah. just don't get it. Why do you want to stay 5 nights or 4 days? Is this where you want to be? How many great grandchildren? But before that, I need to say her grandchildren. Her grandchildren are my mom. That's number 1. My uncle, number 2. Number 3 is my aunt. Number 4 is my other aunt, and number 5 is his husband. Her husband. Yeah, her brother, basically. Да, понимаю. So I have 5 of those, and now her great-grandchildren, and that includes me. I know I'm one of them. Anyways, how many great-grandchildren do you have? By the way, let's actually pick the stuffed animal of the day. I'm gonna start a new series of that in every video vlog where I'm gonna actually pick one. Grandchildren, great grandchildren. There we go. So let's pick the stuffed animal of the day. I think I'm gonna pick my favorite one. Well, my 2 favorite. I'll be right back. Сейчас, это не про это. So I am actually gonna show you them real quickly. I'm gonna pick Milok, my little kitty. I'm gonna put him down right here on my desk. And the other one and the other one I had him I think when I was 3 or something. Beba. He's a little orca. I love orcas. So if you guys in the comments down below, if any of you send me any pictures of cute cats, and cute videos of orcas and stuff, or any picture of orcas or stuff, I will gladly like that because I love them a lot personally. So yeah, if you do that, I will definitely like it. I will never unlike you unless you do something very inappropriate that I will not disagree on. Anyways, so next question. What do you like doing at home? Что ты любишь делать дома? Не, что ты любишь делать дома? Когда ты уже дома, что ты любишь делать? She likes reading. She likes watching TV. She likes playing dominoes. Lato. Actually, bingo. I meant bingo. Sorry, guys. And then she comes home and washes and then she's brushes her teeth and stuff. Then she watches TV. She watches TV and then she goes to sleep. And that's it. And that's it. What she really actually does at home. Also she eats breakfast, and also every day I think she eats breakfast. She eats breakfast. Hold on. She eats breakfast. Then she goes to do. She has a little yard. She goes on there. Then she comes back. And then she does other stuff. I don't know. I think it's TV and stuff. Anyways, еще один вопрос. One more question. Бабуль, ты чего? Final question for the day. If you want me to do more of these videos, please leave a comment and stuff. And like this video. Anyways, next question. So, этот вопрос будет, что ты любишь кушать за завтрак, ланч и uh, dinner. For breakfast, sorry, she she likes drinking coffee and eating a sandwich with cheese. And what do you like eating for lunch? What do you like eating for lunch? Then she drinks her what's vitamins, plus her dishwasher or something. And then she puts on her clothes and goes outside. Anyways, one more question. What do you like eating for lunch? So she likes eating for lunch yogurt and berries? And that is true. And one more question. What does she like eating for dinner? Ну что ты вообще-то кушаешь? Что бабуля тебе дает? Whatever. Okay. The answer for that is whatever my grandma. Show yourself again. Show yourself, please. When my grandma, whatever she brings to her, and then pretty much. And what does she like drinking most of the time? She likes drinking. Как ты переведешь? Compotes, I think. She likes drinking that. And what else? Is that it? She likes drinking juice, and I know water, and I know for a fact she likes coffee. So is that it? Sometimes tea. Is that it? So that is it. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, a big fat like, a comment down below, right down there. Right down there. You can see probably right down there. Yeah. No, not there. Hold on. No, not there. Down there. Down, dude. Down. Right there. Yeah, down. Right down there. Yeah, you get it? And also, if you see a subscribing button, like somewhere above it, right above the description down below. Yeah, right down there. Yeah. Right down there. Right down. Yeah, right down there. Yeah, you see it? There we go. Okay. So then, and also, yeah. And then if you see, and then if you see that like button right there, yeah. No, that one. That's the dislike one. No, the one right next to it. Yeah, that one right there. Click it. There we go. That's a thumbs up for me, and that I know that you want more. And if you want a dislike, that means you want less of these. Like, more like when people come over of my family and then I ask them questions and then they answer me and stuff like that. So, that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up. Comment down below. I showed you where it is. And the thumbs up also. And the subscribing button right down there. I showed you where those are. Бабуль, ты чего, с ума сошла? Перестань, пожалуйста. You're embarrassing me. So that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm not putting these two ever again. Well, my regular grandma. This is embarrassing. Bye. Oh, shoot. Bye.